Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to talk about whether I use Google AdWords or PPC, pay-per-click in my rank and rent business. I'm somebody that's been doing rank and rent for over 11 years. I know there's some other rank and rent coaches out there that are teaching people to use AdWords as a way to quickly get clients. But in this video, I'm going to explain my approach and why I personally do not use AdWords or PPC, and I haven't used or done any AdWords in over 11 years. Because to put it simply, AdWords costs money and it's not cheap. Google is going to charge you per click, and there's a lot of issues with that. There's such thing as fraudulent clicks. There's clicks that happen with bots. There's also bad clicks from keywords that you weren't necessarily targeting, that weren't even your buyers clicking on your ads that you're getting charged for. According to this article by Fraud Blocker, fraudulent clicks account for 11.5% of all clicks. According to this graph here, this is just cost per click, okay? In the plumbing niche, you could be looking at paying $10 to $25 for cost per click. In the HVAC industry, $12 to $30 cost per click. In the roofing industry, $15 to $35 cost per click. And not all those clicks are real. Not all those clicks are going to convert. And AdWords prices have been going up over the years. Today, the cost per lead ranges anywhere from $90 to $300 for all things in the general contractor niche. So running AdWords for a business in of itself is not that easy. If it was easy, you would see many businesses just running AdWords on their own, generating profits and continuing to run AdWords. But there's a good reason why. When you search for different local services like custom cabinets, drywall, wood flooring, roofing, in many different cities and regions, you don't see that many ads come up. And sometimes you see no ads come up. So when the cost per lead on AdWords platform is already getting expensive and getting more expensive, when you do AdWords for other businesses, at best all you can do is maybe charge 10-15% on their ad spend. That is not a very lucrative model, because imagine if you're only making 10-15%, you're gonna have to have a lot of different clients to make decent income. And for each of these AdWords campaigns, you have to monitor the ads on a daily basis. Otherwise, you can have days where the business owner just loses money. And if the business is also not really dialed with their tracking and their sales process and getting to that lead on time, they can just spend thousands of dollars and not get the ROI. And if they don't get the ROI, they can easily cancel an AdWords campaign with you. This is a lot of hassle and time spent on a platform where you still don't own and control anything. If the business owner decides to cancel AdWords campaign with you, then you're back to square one. In the rank and rent model, the reason why we can create passive income is because we are building and ranking websites organically in Google that gets free traffic. That's the only way we can stay profitable in the rank and rent business. Now, some rank and rent coaches out there are teaching AdWords as a way to pre-sell rank and rent websites. So here's what that looks like. You have to do a lot of cold outreach, a lot of prospecting, find business owners, maybe even cold call business owners, and look for business owners that are interested in getting leads. If they show some interest, then you run some AdWords, you run some small campaigns for that business owner, start generating leads for them. They know that you were the one that generated those leads. Then you try to pitch them on a monthly retainer, let's just say $1,500 a month, and you use most of that budget towards running AdWords for them. And then while the AdWords is running, you start building rank and rent sites for that client and try to get it to rank in 3-4 months. Once the rank and rent sites are ranking, then you can dial down the AdWords spend. That is the strategy of pre-selling rank and rent sites. Well, there's a few different issues with this. First of all, you're wasting a lot of time prospecting, cold outreach, trying to pitch business owners to hand you their credit card to somebody they don't even know. So that already is quite challenging, especially if you're a beginner and you're not used to doing sales heavy. And also if you're a brand new beginner, you don't have any referrals either. So why would a business owner trust you and hand over their credit card to you? Number two, because you are deciding to go into that city or niche based on which business owner raised their hand and they were willing to work with you with paying you up front, you are very prone to going into not so ideal city or niches. Maybe some city or niches are too competitive. And even if you try building a rank and rent sites, if you don't have good SEO skills and you don't get the rankings, you're now stuck with just an AdWords client that you're doing all this manual work, all this ongoing work for, trying to manage their AdWords campaign. But that client's never becoming a truly lucrative long-term passive income stream. If you're just relying on AdWords, they can cancel AdWords anytime with you if you're not getting the ROI ROI. Ad costs fluctuate greatly. So some months they might be spending a lot of money per lead that's not converting. So you're always on the hook because ads are not cheap. And also it's gonna block you from going into real opportunities where the money is actually made in rank and rent, which is going after niches and key cities that have good population size with weak competition that you can go and dominate. For example, if I Google hardwood flooring Pasadena, California, this is my website ranked at the top position. And I chose to build this site not based off of what business owner raised their hand and wanted to work with me. I targeted key specific cities based on my niche research and just went ahead and built 10 websites, wait for those websites to rank in 2 to 3 months. And then once these sites are ranking organically, I'm not gonna have any issues finding a business owner that want to pay for these leads. So for me, trying to run AdWords in the rank and rent business is a lot of wasted time and resources. I'd much rather spend my time just building assets that I own and control, take the time to rank these sites in 2 to 3 months. Once it's generating free traffic, I know I can sell those leads easily by providing results in advance, by providing free leads to business owners up front. Go look up any YouTube video on how to properly set up an AdWords campaign. It is not that easy as it once was 6-7 years ago where you could do just AdWords Express. Today, you have to create a bunch of different ad campaigns, target a bunch of different keywords, create negative keyword lists, different tech that blocks fraudulent clicks. Again, this is just for the AdWords to stay profitable. And so I think this is something that people are not understanding when looking at AdWords as a way to accelerate the rank and rent business. I look at it as potentially it can slow down your rank and rent business because all that time you're spending monitoring and optimizing AdWords campaign, you could have just spent picking the right city and niches and building and ranking more and more organic rank and rent websites. Because at the end of the day, the rank and rent websites is only profitable and only turns into passive income when you have these websites that are ranking organically in Google. So to conclude, AdWords, in my personal opinion, is not a great way to accelerate the rank and rent business because one, it's very time consuming to find the right business owners that even want to pay you to get started up front. That's a lot of cold outreach and prospecting and sales you have to do. All that time you could have just spent on building more rank and rent websites. Number two, even if you were to land a client, AdWords have only gotten more difficult and expensive over time. So even with the client, it's difficult to produce positive ROI. And if you're not able to produce positive ROI, they're going to cancel the monthly payments to you anyways. And ultimately, AdWords clients are never going to be that profitable. At most, you can charge maybe 10-15% on their ad spend. Even the other rank and rent coaches that teaches about AdWords, they essentially ultimately will teach you to rank a rank and rent website organically in Google anyways, which means that actually ranking websites in Google is the ultimate goal, regardless of whether you use AdWords or not. I just trying to use AdWords in the beginning is a waste of time, considering how expensive and difficult AdWords have gotten recently and how much management it actually requires. Only time I would say AdWords can be useful is, let's say, if you land a big SEO client and they have a good healthy budget of at least paying you $3,000 a month and up. Then you can explain to that client, hey, while we wait for the website to get the rankings, we'll run some AdWords campaigns on the side to try to get some money coming in as soon as possible while we wait for the site to rank. And this is a client that already has an established website and you're just doing SEO for that website and opportunities where you can do some quick optimization on this website to get some quick wins as well. But when you're talking about running AdWords for a rank and rent client where you're ranking a brand new website for them, and oftentimes these small businesses and these majority of the rank and rent niches aren't gonna have that kind of a budget of $3,000 a month. Maybe they have $500, maybe $1,000 a month in budget in most cases. Then it's simply just not worth putting in all the effort to try to run an AdWords campaign when you could just take all of that time and just ranking the website first, and then you'll get the client later on anyways. Which is why with AdWords, the niches in most cases are much bigger niches like roofing, maybe like personal injury attorneys, even some big HVAC plumbing companies, right? That already has a big crew. But with the rank and rent, we're targeting much smaller businesses like custom cabinets, drywall guys, concrete guys. These are ideal clients, not these big franchises, because they actually need lead generation really badly. And when they need lead generation really badly, these are the type of guys or the companies that aren't gonna have the big budget to just hand it over to you for you to get going. You need to spend the time to create the rank and rent websites first, get the customers coming in, bring the customers with free traffic to that type of business owner so that they get additional revenue to be able able to afford to start paying you. Whenever you look for businesses that can pay a huge lump sum upfront, I mean, you're now going into probably niches less ideal for the rank and rent, maybe going into much like more competitive niches where you're going to struggle to get the rankings. So it's, again, looking for business owners that can spend money with you upfront is not always the ideal barometer to find the right types of city and the niches to go into in rank and rent. So with that being said, hopefully you guys learned a thing or two from this video. Again, I'm somebody that's been doing rank and rent for over 11 years. I still fully believe the rank and rent, if not the best business model on the internet for creating long-term passive income. I have websites from over 10 years ago still making me money to this day with free traffic, not paying for AdWords, not worried about AdWords campaign. I just set these sites up, rank it properly with proper SEO, and I can set it and leave it alone. It'll continue to generate leads for my client and I can continue to get paid. Organic traffic is the only way to truly create hands-free passive income where it gives you a lot of time freedom. So with that said, this year I just launched a brand new rank and rent coaching program. I believe I'm the best at teaching this model. So if you're interested, click the link in the description. On the next page, I'll explain much more about rank and rent and my coaching program. If you have any questions, drop a questions down below. I answer each of those questions personally myself, and I will see you guys in the next video.